Hello everyone and welcome back to Pagkaing Pinoy TV. I'm Jen and I'm your host today. I'm going to teach you how to make coconut macaroons. In a large bowl, I'm going to beat 2 whole eggs, then mix it with 4 pieces egg yolks. Next, I'm gonna beat the eggs using a wire whisk. Add 1/4 cup melted butter and 1 can condensed milk. You can use any brand, and this is 397 grams. I'm also adding 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. I'm just gonna mix it until it is well blended. Add 1½ cups desiccated coconut. Then I'm just gonna mix it until it's well incorporated. By this time, I have preheated the oven to 120 degrees Celsius. Here I have prepared the mini muffin pans with paper cups, so I'm just going to scoop the mixture, about 1 tablespoon, and I'll put it here. And I'm going to repeat the same step for the remaining mixture. Next, we're gonna bake this at 120 degrees Celsius or 248 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes. You will know that it's done when the top is golden brown and a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. Now I'm just going to remove it from the baking pan and I will allow it to cool down on a wire rack for about 5 minutes. You can store these mini coconut macaroons in a resealable bags or airtight container for about 2 to 3 days at room temperature, or you can keep it in the freezer for about a month. These mini coconut macaroons are so delicious. It's crisp and golden on the outside, and it's very moist and chewy on the inside. There you have it, guys. That's how we make coconut macaroons. I'm sure you can try this recipe. If I can do it, I'm sure you can also try this. Thank you guys for watching. Click on subscribe and tap the bell icon so you can receive notifications when we release new videos. Visit our website at www.pagkainpinoytv.com to get the full recipe. And to be updated, follow us in Instagram and Facebook page at Pagkain Pinoy TV 1. We also release new or daily videos on those platforms. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!